Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the ADIDAS FOM SUPERSTAR. Before we get to this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the ADIDAS Originals FOM SUPERSTAR, and we've got this in the UK size 7.5. It doesn't have the conversions on the box, so I'll look at the conversions when I do the unboxing. So it is right here for you. So for those wondering, this obviously takes inspiration from the iconic ADIDAS SUPERSTAR. And we have done some AdiFOM slippers review in the past before, so do check that out if you get a minute. And because I've got it right here in my hand, I can tell you the conversions. So this being a UK size 7.5, it is a US 8, and it's a European 41 1/3. So Adidas have hit this slipper game essentially, a foam slipper game that's very dominated by Crocs. Obviously this isn't like the first of its kind. Adidas themselves have done like foam slippers, even with the Adidas line, Adidas Yeezy line, sorry, a very long time ago. And well, it's different. This is very, again, reminiscent of like a Crocs clog, but it's got an Adidas spin to it. And we'll start looking at the detailing. So essentially, it is made up of the AdiFOM technology, which is foam from Adidas that derives from sugarcane, and it uses a lot of recycled materials, up to 25%, I believe it says on the website. But essentially, it's one unit that makes the sneaker, and you can see traction patterning on the outsole. The midsole, again, is part of that foam AdiFOM technology, very lightweight, and that continues into the upper. So the upper itself is AdiFOM all around. You don't really have that iconic shell toe right there, that's kind of separate, but you can see it's like, I don't know how to say this, it's very reptilian-like. It's like that, like it's scales or whatever. Like, if you know what I mean, like it kind of extends all the way to the top of the sneaker itself. All the detailing that you'll find on the ADIDAS SUPERSTAR, so you know the iconic three stripes and the panel at the back. But as I mentioned before, that shell toe is kind of there. It's just like in this one uniform unit right there. And then in the insole, you've got this foam insole to round it off with the ADIDAS logo, and it's got the sizing in there also for you. Ventilation wise, on the medial side, you'll find 2 holes for airflow, and that rounds it off actually. So this is very lightweight. It's what I'm expecting when it comes to foam trainers, foam slippers, whatever you want for indoor, outdoor use. I myself personally could see myself using this for indoors, or if I'm like popping out to the shops very quickly. I mean, you can wear it however you want to wear it outdoors. I'm not here to judge how you wear your shoes. I'm just here to give you my thoughts and humble opinions. Very lightweight. Again, we've done tons of reviews on like AdiFOM technology, so do check that out when you get a chance. I'm going to try these on for you. Very quick and easy review for you guys. Right here for you. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend maybe you get a half size bigger to what you usually wear for Adi. I'm in UK size 8. Maybe I should have gone 8.5. These feel a bit too tight, just around the top of my feet. And at the very top right there, you know, where your toes are, it's touching the end. I think that's the way that this shape is made. It's very narrow. To put my feet in, it just felt a bit too narrow as well. Other than that, these are very lightweight, but I feel like my feet are very, they're getting hugged too much, if that makes any sense. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Till next time, peace.